Ballet Real Wallet app. The pros, the cons. The Ballet Real Wallet is often called the crypto wallet for everyone. But does its simplicity come at the cost of security? Let's explore the pros and cons to find out. Starting with the pros, the Ballet Real Wallet stands out for one big reason: no setup required. Unlike most crypto wallets that make you back up seed phrases or configure software, Ballet's wallet comes pre-configured. You simply scan the code on the physical card, add funds, and you're done. That's it. Another major advantage is that it's completely offline. The wallet is a physical card that stores your private keys in a way that never touches the internet. That makes it immune to online hacks, phishing scams, or malware attacks. The design also deserves praise. The wallet is built with durable stainless steel, engraved with your public address and encrypted private key. It's a wallet you can literally hold, making it perfect for people who like tangible control over their crypto. The Ballet Real Wallet also supports multiple cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and dozens more. And it's non-custodial, meaning you, and only you, control your assets. Now, let's talk about the cons. The main criticism is that the wallet's private key is generated before you receive it, which means users have to trust Ballet's manufacturing process. While the company insists it's safe, this trust-based model makes some crypto purists uncomfortable. Another con is no active security layers. Since there is no password, biometric lock, or BIS confirmation, anyone with physical access to your card could potentially access your funds. Finally, because it's a cold wallet, you can't send transactions directly from it. You'll need Ballet's companion app to broadcast transactions, which can be less convenient for frequent traders. In conclusion, the Ballet Real Wallet is a beautifully simple and secure way to store crypto offline. The surprising truth? It's not built for power users, it's built for people who want an easy, physical, hacker-proof wallet they can trust.